So the first new commitment announcement involves a lot of people. I would invite to the stage Mark Arnoldi from Possible Health, Sharon Davis of Sharon Davis Design, Sherry Lee Broadworth-Botop, the American Institute of Architects, David Campbell, All Hands Volunteers, John Wood, Room to Read, Ann Black, Goldman Sachs, Lori Feinsilver, UBS, and Andrew Moon of Sunfarmer. This is about Nepal. The earthquake that struck Nepal on April 25th and its aftershocks impacted the lives of almost 8 million people and led to more than 8,000 deaths and 22,000 injuries. It devastated infrastructure, including schools, clinics, hospitals, homes, cultural institutions, roads, and more, leaving many without necessities, including shelter, healthcare, education, food, and clean water. These CGI members have responded with commitments spanning these needs. It is made possible by partners like Sharon Davis Design, who is committed to rebuilding Nepal's healthcare system, and the Dholaka district, where almost 40% of the population now lacks access to healthcare. Working closely with the Nepalese Ministry of Health and Population, Direct Relief, and others, Possible will expand its public-private healthcare model. The American Institute of Architects Foundation and All Hands Volunteers, along with their partners, are committing to provide earthquake-resilient housing to displaced families in Nepal's Sindupachok region. The project will begin in a pilot community and eventually include 10 to 12 villages, with a goal of building more than 500 homes by 2017. Plans are underway now to build 50 temporary housing units that will be converted to permanent shelters. Room to Read, with its partners Goldman Sachs and UBS, is committed to repair and construct 700 classrooms and implement their literacy programs in 55 schools. To create libraries in schools, provide 160,000 books, and training to teachers in library management and reading and writing instruction. Sunfarmer is committed to provide 1.5 megawatts of reliable solar energy to underserved and off-grid communities. The systems will aid community development by providing power to hospitals and schools. They will also launch an off-grid training program called Off-Grid U that will be used to help train a new generation of solar engineers and entrepreneurs. The actions of these commitment makers, along with the efforts of other partners, will help to provide the attention and assistance needed to accelerate progress as Nepal works to rebuild. This is really good. Give them a big hand. Thank you. I want to make this point again. You get a fairly small country and a lot of commitment makers. When you add up what they do together, it can go a long way toward bringing it back.